Is your Wi-Fi connection slow or unstable on Windows 11? Sometimes the problem isn't your internet provider, it's your computer's network adapter setting. Many people don't know that Windows has built-in configuration that can help your Wi-Fi adapter perform better and handle data more efficiently. Look, now my Wi-Fi speed is 3.1 Mbps. I'm going to show you a simple setting that will blow your mind that you didn't know. So let's go. First, press Windows plus R button to open Run. Now type ncpa.cpl and press Enter or click OK. Here you can see your Wi-Fi adapter with name. Click right on your mouse, go to Properties. Now click Configure. Click Advanced option. These are the master settings for your Wi-Fi speed. Wireless mode, select the last option. Keep country code global. Receive buffer 512. This is the maximum settings. Transmit buffer will be the same. Now click OK at the last. After clicking OK, your adapter will restart. All done. This is the maximum setting. It allows adapter to use its all power to boost your internet speed. Now it's time to show you the proof. Search My Speed and go to this link. After you click the link, it starts to count your Wi-Fi speed. You won't believe it until you try. I can show you the present setting. Just look at it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe this channel for this kind of effective Windows tech.